Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. Let's kick things off by talking about the exterior design. Toyota has managed to retain the classic proportions and athletic stance that fans of the GR86 love, while adding subtle modern touches to signal its hybrid powertrain. Up front, you'll find a sleek, aggressive grille flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the car a focused, almost predatory look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines flowing along the sides not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also improve airflow for better efficiency and stability at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the low roofline and wide stance emphasize the car's sporty nature. The wheel arches house 18-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires, giving the GR86 hybrid an agile and planted feel on the road. At the rear, a subtle spoiler, LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets hint at the car's performance capabilities. Overall, it's a design that balances elegance with aggression, a perfect reflection of what lies beneath the surface. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit that's both functional and sophisticated. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching adding a premium feel. The seats are deeply bolstered to keep you firmly in place during spirited drives, while remaining comfortable enough for long road trips. The flat-bottomed steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and digital instrument cluster all contribute to the car's sporty ambience. One of the standout features of the interior is the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's proprietary interface. The system is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to access navigation, media, and vehicle settings. A premium JBL audio system is available as an option, delivering crystal-clear sound for those who appreciate high-quality audio. The 2025 Toyota GR86 Hybrid also comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background to enhance safety, without detracting from the raw driving experience that the GR86 is known for. Now let's get to the heart of the matter: performance. The 2025 GR86 Hybrid is powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 290 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. This represents a significant boost over the standard gas-powered GR86, thanks to the additional torque provided by the electric motor. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, which remains a highlight for driving purists. For those who prefer a more relaxed driving experience, a responsive 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters is also available. The hybrid powertrain not only enhances performance, but also improves fuel efficiency, with an EPA estimated 36 mpg in combined city and highway driving, a remarkable achievement for a sports coupe. Acceleration is brisk, with the GR86 Hybrid sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. The instant torque from the electric motor provides a noticeable boost off the line, making the car feel quick and responsive. Top speed is electronically limited to 140 mph, which is more than enough for most driving scenarios. Handling has always been a strong suit of the GR86, and the hybrid version is no exception. The car features a lightweight chassis with a near-perfect weight distribution, thanks to the clever placement of the battery pack. The suspension has been tuned to deliver sharp, precise handling while maintaining a comfortable ride. In sport mode, the car tightens up, offering razor-sharp cornering and minimal body roll. The electric power steering is communicative and well-weighted, giving you confidence as you push the car through twisty roads. Braking performance is equally impressive, with ventilated disc brakes at all 4 corners providing strong, fade-free stopping power. The regenerative braking system not only helps recharge the battery, but also adds an extra layer of control during deceleration. For those who want even more performance, An optional track package includes upgraded brakes, a stiffer suspension, and stickier tires. One of the unique aspects of the GR86 Hybrid is how seamlessly the hybrid system integrates with the driving experience. Unlike some hybrids that feel disconnected or artificial, the GR86 Hybrid retains the raw, engaging character that enthusiasts love. The transition between gas and electric power is smooth and almost imperceptible, and the car delivers a satisfying exhaust note that belies its hybrid nature. Customization options abound, allowing buyers to tailor the GR86 Hybrid to their preferences. There are multiple exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to choose from. Performance enthusiasts can opt for the track package, while those who prioritize luxury can select the premium package, which adds features like ventilated seats, a head-up display, and a panoramic sunroof. Beyond the technical specifications, what truly sets the 2025 GR86 Hybrid apart is the driving experience. It's a car that feels alive in your hands, with immediate throttle response, precise steering, and a chassis that begs to be pushed to its limits. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or simply enjoying a leisurely cruise, the GR86 Hybrid delivers a sense of connection and joy that's increasingly rare in today's automotive landscape. In terms of pricing, the base model starts at around $35,000, and, while fully loaded versions can approach $45,000, and, while not the cheapest option in the segment, the GR86 Hybrid offers a compelling value proposition when you consider its performance, features, and hybrid efficiency. To wrap things up, the 2025 Toyota GR86 Hybrid is a game-changer in the compact sports coupe segment. It combines exhilarating performance, head-turning design, and advanced hybrid technology in a package that stays true to its roots while embracing the future. Whether you're a longtime fan of the GR86 or new to the world of sports cars, this vehicle deserves a spot on your radar. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Toyota GR86 Hybrid. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.